Alright, I'm just going to give you a couple of little hints for your homework as far as how to look at it. We did number 1 in class, so I already did that one for you. Those of you who are absent, you can ask one of your classmates for some help on that. If you look at number 2, the key is recognizing whether or not something is series or parallel. You notice the resistor 1 is parallel to the battery. The resistors 2 and 3 are in series with each other. Since it branches off right here and comes back together right here, these are in parallel with the battery as well. So you can actually redraw this to look like that, where you've got R2 here and R3 here, and this part of the circuit doesn't really exist. So it's just this area right here. So you see that you've got a parallel and a parallel. These are in parallel with the battery. These two are in series with each other. So that's a helpful hint for number 2. For number 3, I'm going to go ahead and redraw number 3 for you to help you out with figuring out what to do. Okay. You've got resistor 1, and then resistors 2 and 3 are parallel, but they're in series with resistor 1. So you can draw like this, where you've got resistor 2 here, resistor 3 here, like that. And then resistor 4 is parallel to both of these. So in this you actually have an overall parallel circuit, and you've got 2 parts that are parallel. You've got this little parallel circuit that's in series with this one, and all 3 of these are parallel to that one. So if you redraw it like this, that might be able to help you figure that one out a little bit more. And then number 4, this is actually the easiest one. It's actually pretty much just like the example I did in class from the notes. It's just turned differently. But again, you've got these. So if you these two are in parallel and they're in series with the others. So if you treat these as if you have one resistor, we'll call it R5. So you got one resistor here to figure out what the total resistance here is, and it's in series with the others. Hopefully those hints help you out a little bit. If you need extra help, I will be here. This is due Thursday. Don't forget.